Is your Harley-Davidson leaking between the primary chain case or the transmission? It might not be one of the oil seals. I've had it on this Dyna. After replacing all of the oil seals on as well the transmission side and the primary chain case side, I put it all back together, took a test drive, and it started leaking again. So I took it apart, and what I came up with is something that I had never seen before, and that was the main drive, the fifth gear. And if you can see, here is a crack. Now it's closed, and now it's cracked again. So there was actually leaking oil, not one of the oil seals, but this part. You cannot repair this. And inside of here there is an oil seal, and there are two needle bearings that you would replace also for new ones, with a new oil seal and the two bearings, needle bearings on the inside. You see, this is the one. So a very short video. There is not so much to tell, other than that this might also be the cause of your leak.